In stage 2 we're going to be continuing with the lower bed, and we're going to be taking the rear or the lower reinforcement struts as we've done before and removing the brown backing paper and taking the small little M3 nuts. So take the little M3 nuts and place those into the reinforcing plates as so, putting them all in there. There's 8 in total, and once again just getting a little piece of the wood glue and just dabbing just a tiny little bit in there so that that holds that into position. So do that with the remaining 6, and then we'll come back for the next part of this stage. Now take the reinforcement plates and the bottom plate that we constructed in the previous stage and just place the parts over the reinforcement like so, just making sure you get all that in the right position. Once you've got that in there, push that down, and then with the M3 10mm screws, place a washer over each of those, and then just screw those down into position. So if you continue to do those, once again, when you screw them down, don't over tighten them. Okay, just nip them up. Alright. Like so. So do the rest with the remaining screws. Next, take the plate that was provided, take the 10mm M3 screw, place a washer over it and place that through the hole, and then taking one of the M3 nuts, place that gently into the slot, get that in there like so, and then as you can see here, taking the plate and the screw and then just gently tightening that down into position, but once again do not over tighten it, just enough just to nip that up. Okay, as you can see there. Okay. Next, you're going to need the table bases upper section. Okay, now this has 4 screw holes, which are all countersunk. So take the 25mm countersunk screws and place those in the bottom, like so. And if they don't push through, okay, just you might have to screw them in. All right, very, very gently. Okay, making sure that obviously the screw goes into the countersunk area so that the screw is then flush, as you can see there. Do that with the remaining 3, and then we'll come back and fit the springs and washers. Now take the bed that we had from previous, turn it upside down so the supports are facing upwards, and place that over the top, and then once again placing a washer over each of the countersunk screws that we've just done, and the tiny little adjusting nuts, threaded adjusting nuts. Just place those on there, like so. The others. The final one. And just nip them up. And that completes this day.